Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate the age from the date shown in column A. So the first step we need to do is let Excel know that these are dates. So we'll highlight column A, right click, and then we're going to go to Format Cells. Then we'll click on Date, and then select the correct format that your column is set up with for the date. And this is the first one. All right, so now Excel knows that this column is dealing with dates. Now let's click on column B1. Let me make this a little bigger. And for the heading, we're gonna type age. And then cell B2, we're gonna put in a formula to calculate the age. So we're gonna do equals date diff, open parentheses. Now let's click column A2, and then we're gonna hit comma, and then we're gonna type today, open parentheses, then close the parentheses, and then hit comma. And the last one, we're gonna do quotation mark, Y, quotation mark, and then close parentheses, and then hit enter. All right. So now we have the age calculated as 2, and to make the rest of the records calculate the age, scroll till you see the black plus sign, double click, and now all your records show the age in column B. All right, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.